So getting a message from our computer, having our computer tell us something. When we write a program using system out print line, our computer talks to us through this terminal box at the bottom of the screen. But that's kind of boring. I don't really like how that looks. I'd rather see a message dialog box pop up like I see all over when I'm using computers. So in order to get that magic to happen, I don't want to have to recreate this because making a dialog box probably would be very codey. So instead, I'm going to borrow some code from the ether world. So I'm going to import a program. So this is available everywhere, anywhere. The thing I want to import is called JavaX, all one word, all small letters, .swing, .star. That star means everything. So basically what I'm saying is I want to take a folder called JavaX, I want to import a folder within that called swing, and I want all the programs from it. We will talk later at some point about how those things work, but for now, let's just import that whole package. So system.out.println was the command that made words come up or a sentence come up down at the bottom of my terminal box. What I'm going to use instead, it's going to seem like a long line of code, but it's so worth it because the coolness that comes out will make it worth it. So remember that Java is case sensitive, and so J-O is capital, and then the rest of the word option is small. So it's JOption, and then a capital P for Pane, and then show message dialog. So that is a long string of things. Notice there's no spaces. The M is capital, the D is capital, and then in parentheses, this seems kind of strange at first too, but you'll get used to it. The word null with a comma after it. So the word null, notice how that turned up purple. I'll talk someday about what that does, but for now just use null and then put in whatever sentence you want to put in. Wow, this is so super cool. And I put that in quotation marks again, and then I end my parentheses, so see for every beginning, there's an end. And then I'm going to put my semicolon to end that sentence, and let's run it. I see yay, I am programming show up down in the terminal area, but what? Here's a great message dialog box. It's got a little picture. It says exactly what I wanted it to say. Wow, this is so super cool. It has an OK. I didn't do any of that. So it was not too bad to type in all those words. Again, the \n, if you put a \n inside of your string, you'll see when you run it now. The message dialog box now says, wow, this is so new line, super cool. So the \n doesn't actually show up on the screen. That was just an instruction to our computer to go to the next line. So that's how you can get message dialog boxes to show up using your computer. And now you can play around a little bit with those.